That's the mission today, to hang the joists.
Yeah, I should be able to get all these joists laid in, and then also be working on filling in these partial joists that are going to land in here on the step. LSU 28Z joist hanger. Two different kinds. They have one with the top flange that you hang on your rim joist and you drop your joists into it, but treated materials thickness can vary a bit. So if you use a top flange joist hanger and you hang it on there and you drop your joist into it, the top of your joist can kind of vary along the way. So I'll go through and tack these joists in with framing nailer, and then I'll come back in with my hangers, and so I tack them in so everything's flush.
Right.
And then I'll come back in with my hangers and put them up there and shoot those guys in. So,
that makes sense.
yeah, it makes it easier not having to deal with trying to fix an uneven surface because of the variance in the width of that treated lumber. Go ahead and shoot these. Yeah, see, this way I can get my hangers adjusted right up to where I want them, and I've got my tops of my joists nice and flush.
Making some good progress here.
Yeah.
Looking good.
One of those little doohickeys.
Building the joists around the entry porch.
So today I'm going to work on framing in the landing and the wraparound steps on that end, and then framing in my blocking along here so that I could run the picture frame perimeter of the Trex, and then with any luck I'll also apply the adhesive flashing onto the joist to protect it from weather. Maybe in the next couple of days we'll start seeing some rain, so
okay.
I'm going to get my adhesive flashing on here before things get dampened, and hopefully while this is nice and dry I can get it to stick and won't have to worry about it.
Sure looking good. We actually sat on it last night using some scrap pieces of boards. Making good progress on the deck. This will be a wraparound step so we can get off from towards the yard and also towards the end here where the walkway is. And there'll be a step on the other end too. For insurance purposes, I want to make sure he's steady on his feet.
Alright. And make it kind of hard to determine where they're coming from.
Looking good. Talking about the deck.
Should be pretty nice. I think that's good. The wraparound step idea on this end is going to work out really well. It's going to be a very appealing factor.
So what are we laying down here?
This is an adhesive flashing, basically a weatherproofing tape to lay on the surface of the joists and the blocking and everything so the water can't sit on it and eventually rot it out and cause damage. So
Nice.
something that hadn't been used up until relatively recently. Most deck framing was just laid down and decking nailed to it, and away you go. And it's really thick. in the sun like this, man, it's
Yeah.
great. This is perfect for laying this stuff down. It's gonna stick to that and it won't ever come off.
Just don't get it stuck to your shoe or your...
Wrapped even on your hand or your shirt or your head or something,
Yeah.
you know. I mean, that stuff, once it grabs onto something, it does not want to let go.
Really impressed with the attention to details you have here.
That's how I like to do stuff, you know.
Yeah, a lot of details to constructing the deck like this. That was your last sticker, huh?
Yeah.
Won't be able to see the text on this through the deck, will we?
No.
Well, the deck is really taking shape. Tomorrow is Trex Day. Chris will be putting the picture frame around the edges. That's the starting point.